Yo, what's good, YouTube? What's good? So y'all see I got the Mendez merch on today again. Let's go. Got my jacket back. I just did some laundry, you know what I mean? So I'm feeling extra clean, extra fresh. Today's actually Friday. I'm gonna go ahead and post this video on Saturday. You know, I don't really like posting on weekends because I don't get any views, but I'm gonna go ahead and post it anyway. So if you're watching this, it'll probably be on Saturday. So what I'm doing right now is stopping at Wawa's. I'm gonna go ahead and stop here. If the brightness goes, there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and stop here and get a Monster because I left my Monster at the crib and right now I'm short on time, so I'm gonna just go ahead and stop here real quick, get a Monster and head off to my client. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that because this Wawa is jumping right now. Hey, look, man, so your boy got his Monster. Always get the white can, but I do drink coffee. So I drink coffee with my breakfast. And I don't know, man. I don't be feeling coffee that much. You know, it's delicious. I like drinking coffee. I just like drinking the, you know, the hotness, and it is tasteful, right? But it doesn't hit like the Monster, man. I don't know what it is with the Monster. It's supposed to have 0 sugar, but when I drink the Monsters, yo, I just feel it's a whole different me. You know what I mean? Like, I just feel amped up. I feel woken up, and I feel much better and alive, right? So Wawa was actually jumping, man. So I went in there and someone tried to, it was like one Monster, it was the last Monster, and someone tried to reach over for it. And I looked at him and I was like, you know, I gave him that look. I gave him that look like, you really gonna take the last Monster? So I took the Monster from him. I took it. He swung at me. I ducked, right? I ducked, and then he went ahead and swung. So after he swung, I went ahead and knocked him out. I just had to. I was like, hey, look, man, I'm just trying to get my Monster. I gotta go. I'm late for my client. You know what I mean? I didn't mean to knock him out. He probably didn't hear me because he was like sleeping on the floor, but I told him. I was like, hey, look, man, I didn't mean to do this, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this Monster. So I knocked dude out. He woke back up and then he got a different color Monster. So just goes to show, man, people are crazy in the mornings. I knocked another dude out because he tried to take my honey bun. It's like, nah. I'm over here playing with y'all, man. So I have 19 minutes to get to my clients right now. I have a maintenance detail on the Ford Focus. I think it's a Ford Focus or I can't remember the name of the car with it. I'll show you guys when we get there. I recorded this car before and hopefully it's not that dirty because I have a long drive for my second client and he has a Denali, like a big suburban type of van. So I just need to make sure that I get to that one as soon as possible so I can get done with it as soon as possible. That way I'm not falling behind on my day. So sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys when we get to that client. Let's go. All right, so we are here, and she left the keys in here and then left the cash payment. So go ahead and put this in the van. I'm gonna get that out the way. Keep the keys in my little pocket thing here in my jacket. Kind of secure place. It has a zipper too, so it doesn't fall out. And I like to keep the key on me because cars do like to lock up a lot, so if you have the key on you can just open it, you know. So here's a look at the interior. Needs a quick vacuum, light debris, a little bit of dirt and stuff. Yeah, be quick detail. I'm gonna start with the inside for sure. Door panels look good, they're still in good condition. Yeah, it just really needs a good vacuum. Damn, I forgot my watch. I'm not even wearing my watch today. Just realized that. So yeah, we're charging $80 for this, if you guys are wondering. It's on our monthly plan. So I remember we did this one a while back. I think I recorded a video on it too. So we're gonna go ahead and knock this out. Wash and wax. Get those wheels looking brand new. Alright YouTube, and just like that we finished with the Ford Fusion. So I said it was a Ford Focus the entire video. I heard myself saying Ford Focus, so it's actually a Fusion. So you guys see it, we applied our ceramic coating socket on the exterior and on the wheels, which is included with all of our maintenance details. Just kind of makes it, you know, pop a little bit more, add some more long-term protection, while also making it easier for us when we come back to detail this car again, to wash it and stuff like that. So y'all see the exterior. Now this is a look at the interior, and it really just needed a good vacuum, good wipe down. Not much going on in here. You guys saw the process a little bit. Just wipe down the seats and stuff. You know, just something basic, something light. We did all the door jams as well, and we also got the trunk jam and the gas cap there. So look, I'm gonna talk to the client and let them know that they need the WeatherTech floor mats on this thing, because if not, then this thing is gonna be really tough to get, you know, clean when the salt and sand, well, the salt and snow come around, you know, because that carpeting is no joke. So this is the end of the video, well, the end of the detail for this car. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the keys in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave the keys, and we will head off to the next one. Boom. What time is it actually? So it's currently 11:10. So go ahead, head off to the next one. 30 minutes to get there. We'll probably get there around 11:40. And already too, so we're kind of like deep in the woods right now. It's kind of a little bit colder out here for some reason, but we just made it to the second detail for the day, and then we have one more after this one. So we have a Yukon right here. I believe this is a 2022. We did this one before as well. I recorded a lot of cars, so I feel like I recorded this one as well. But this is going to be a maintenance detail as well. Just needs a, you know, quick little vacuum, but it is a large vehicle, so either way it's still going to take some time to do. Vacuum the back of the seats there, put that up. Got a little bit of crumbs and stuff like that. This one does have those floor mats over there, which I already took out because I'm trying to get set up for the vacuum right now. So I put both the driver's side and the passenger seat all the way forward, so I can easily reach underneath the seats and behind the seats. Went ahead and lifted these up so I can reach better, blow stuff out if I have to. You guys see the exterior just needs a good wash. Yeah, definitely needs a good wash. Just dirty, look at that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started, knock this one out. I think it's about to be 12. Yeah, it's about to be 12 actually. So I'll probably finish, honestly I might finish by like 2:30 maybe, just because it's a big car, man. It's maybe like 2:30. Yeah. And one thing I wanted to talk about, so the client was just here. I spoke with him and he was just like, hey, I'm heading out, you know, I'll leave you the keys. You know, he left the keys with me. He was just like, hey man, whatever you need, just call me if anything. I'm gonna go ahead and pay you through the link, because I send out an invoice through my Jobber app, and they can pay through Apple Pay, or they can choose to pay online. So that's another way you can make your clients more convenient, right? Because if you need to physically be there and they have to physically be there to pay you, that's kind of like a barrier, right? So there's things like Cash App, Venmo, you know, Zelle. It's just a ton of different options that you can give your clients, so that way when you are ready to accept payments, you're not like, hey, I need your card, I need you to physically be there, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and send him the link for the detail. I'm gonna charge him $150, but I'm gonna shoot him a text. He's probably gonna tip, so he probably like $180 probably, because he always tips. But this is gonna be a quick little detail. And I also wanted to say, so I know I'm all over the place right now, but I just wanted to get this out my head. So I wanted to say that when you're detailing, right, most people are afraid that you're going to conversate and talk to the clients for a long time, and you might study. You're just afraid, right, of talking to clients. But to be honest with you guys, all you do is, right, once you get to the client, all you do is basically say, hey, I'm here to detail a car. And if you know them already, like this is a maintenance, I come here all the time, so if you know them already, then it'll be a lot easier, a lot smoother to like conversate with the clients, right? But if it's your first time there, just all you're gonna say is just, hey, I'm here to detail the car, you know, can you show me what your concerns are? Just walk around the vehicle with them and just ask them, hey, do you have any questions for me? Is there anything in particular you want me to take care of, right? And if they don't tell you anything, they just, you know, say, okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. You know, if you need anything, just let me know, blah, 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 right? And that's literally gonna take less than 2 minutes, right? I don't ever talk to clients more than 2 minutes, you know, it just never happens, you know. And if I do, it's because we're having a good conversation, and it's probably gonna be towards the end, because in the beginning, we don't have, what the, I don't know, I saw something in my face. But in the beginning, we don't have too much time to, like, you know, mess around and talk. But I'm wasting time here, you know, video recording this for you guys. So just a little tip, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this work, and I'll show you guys once I'm done what it looks like. I'm not gonna record the process because that's just gonna take too much time out of my hands. Plus the video, I feel like, is already long enough now. So I'm gonna just show y'all when I'm done, and hopefully y'all are enjoying this video, man. Look at my Ford Transit though, man. This thing is dirty. I need to wash my own dang car. Look at this. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Dirty. Dirty, 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 dirty. I want you guys, so just like that, we just finished with this Yukon here. Now, I still have a little bit of finishing touches to do, but I just wanted to record this so I can, you know, go ahead and knock that stuff out. Stuff like the grill, like I just got to wipe and stuff. But I say 99.9% of the car is detailed and done. Looks nice and clean, nice and shiny. I like this color, man. It's different. It's a different color. Got the interior done. Wasn't much to do in here, honestly. I don't even dress these because they don't seem like they're that, you know what I mean, bad to be dressed. They came out pretty nice without just, you know, giving it a rinse and wipe down. So there's a look at the interior. Time is currently 2:09. So you guys see, 2:09. I'm gonna just go ahead and wipe down that grill, close the trunk up, and then head out. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this video. I honestly probably end it here because I don't know, I just don't feel like recording no more. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video though. Go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure you guys check out the Mendez merch down below. Support the channel, support some small business owner here, man. I appreciate y'all so much. Go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the links to the products down below. And like I said, check out the merch down below. Got jackets, hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeve shirts, thermals, joggers probably coming soon. But appreciate y'all, man. Go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe. Like I said, peace out, you guys. Hustle never settle.